Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BVTK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past several days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this one on a very routine basis, including doing it yesterday. So that's where these green and red line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. The first update comes from just a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 006 was a level of resistance going into today, but with the price breaking above it and then most importantly staying above it, this would now be considered an area of support and what I would call the ideal level of support. Meaning, if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above 006, that would be a great sign of power. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls back below it, I'm not saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay above it, that would definitely be a great sign of strength. As far as kind of measuring the health of the current bounce, this right here being defined as the bounce, a very simplistic way to do that is just to use the purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is just going to keep on moving higher and higher. So again, a very cut and dry way to gauge the health of the current bounce. Simply put, as long as the price stays above that purple line as it moves higher, then the bulls are in full control, full health, however you can best visualize that. So, this purple line is that I kind of like to call moving averages, tread lines for lazy people. If you don't want to draw a tread line, just let that purple, line draw the tread line for you. And again, as long as the price stays above it, that's what you want to see. What about next potential areas of resistance? So where are some future potential battlegrounds? For this, I'm going to scrunch up a chart here a tad just to make sure I'm not missing anything. So next level of resistance that sticks out to me right up there, that makes it easy, at 007. So James Bond is the next key overall area of resistance up at 007. But in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance, still not a huge priority. Top priority is just repeat history. What do I mean by repeat history? Well, as you've seen in the recent history, as long as the price keeps on building these higher bases, like it's been doing, the chart has continued to take care of itself, which includes breaking areas of resistance. So another nice day, and as long as those stair steps keep on being built, the chart will not only remain healthy, but just continue to look that much more healthy. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.